Today, we are going to explore the history and evolution of Adobe, one of the most well-known and respected software companies in the world, known for its innovative products in the fields of digital media, content creation, and digital marketing. Adobe is a leading software company that has revolutionized the creative industry and digital experiences. From its humble beginnings in 1982 to its current position as a global leader in multimedia and creativity software, Adobe has undergone significant changes and transformations. In this article, we'll explore the history and evolution of Adobe, and how the company's products and services have impacted the world of digital media and creativity. Adobe was founded by John Warnock and Charles Jeschke in December 1982 and started as a small software company focusing on PostScript, a page description language used in printing. In 1985, Adobe released its first version of Illustrator, a vector graphics editor that quickly became popular among graphic designers. 2 years later, Adobe released Photoshop, a photo editing software that revolutionized the industry and became the standard tool for digital image manipulation. Throughout the 1990s, Adobe continued to expand its product offerings and establish itself as a leader in the creative software industry. In 1992, the company introduced Adobe Acrobat, a software that enabled the creation and sharing of PDF files, which became a widely used format for digital documents. Adobe also acquired Aldus Corporation in 1994, which added PageMaker and Freehand to its product line. In the early 2000s, Adobe shifted its focus to web-based technologies and introduced Macromedia Flash, a platform used for creating interactive web content. In 2005, Adobe acquired Macromedia, which gave it access to Flash, Dreamweaver, and other popular web design tools. This acquisition also allowed Adobe to expand into the digital marketing space with the introduction of the Adobe Marketing Cloud. In recent years, Adobe has continued to evolve its product offerings to keep up with the rapidly changing digital landscape. The company has shifted to a subscription-based model, offering its products as part of the Adobe Creative Cloud and Adobe Document Cloud. Adobe has also increased its focus on mobile apps and services, enabling creatives to work on the go and collaborate seamlessly with others. Today, Adobe is a leading provider of software and services for content creation, digital media, and digital marketing. Its products, such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, are widely used by professionals and amateurs alike, while its Document Cloud offering has made it easier than ever to create, share, and sign digital documents. Adobe's commitment to innovation, creativity, and customer satisfaction has made it one of the most successful and respected technology companies in the world. That concludes our overview of the history and evolution of Adobe. As the company continues to adapt to the ever-changing digital landscape, it will be interesting to see what new products and services they develop to further revolutionize the world of digital media and creativity. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Please do like, share and subscribe. Take care and see you next time.